Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the tutorial of WordPress. So basically in this class I will show you how to create your subdomain and how to host the subdomain. So in order to do that, just click on this hosting and the number of the websites you have, you will see those websites over here. Currently I'm having only one website, which is aestheticdeponet.com. So whichever website you have, and if you want to create a subdomain of that particular website, then you just have to click on this corresponding manage button over here. So click on this manage, then after that you will get this dashboard over here. Just scroll down, scroll down to this option which is the domains, and over here you will see this subdomains, and over here you have to create your subdomain. I will say demo, and after that I will say create. Okay, so now as can be seen, my subdomain has been created. If you want, you can delete it from here. So now what I'll do is I will click on hosting over again, then again I will click on manage, and over here you will see this WordPress option. Okay, so inside of this WordPress you have to click on the dashboard. Currently it's taking a little bit of time for things to get loaded, so just scroll down and click on this install another WordPress. Then you'll be taken to this page. Just scroll down and click on this WordPress, and over here you have to select this HTTPS option in order to make your website secure and safe. And after that you will get these options over here. Now after coming to this page, you have to enter your password, website name, and language is English, which is already selected. But from this you have to select your subdomain. Okay, so once you do that, you have to enter your password, website name, and select the language. Let me just do that. I will pause this video for a while. Okay, so now I have entered my password, website name, and the language also selected by me. I will just scroll down and I will say install. Okay, so this might take some time, like 1 or 2 minutes for things to get set up, and once that has been done, you can proceed further. Okay, so now our installation has been completed. So this is that website which is installed by me. Now I can click on this link and preview how the demo looks. So as of now, as can be seen, I'm not able to see the demo. Let me just refresh this. I don't know what's the issue. Okay, let's just go to this WordPress and let's see. Okay, so after coming to this page, just okay, I think there is a problem with this SSL certificate. So now what you can do is you can just keep this option off only. I think you have to pay some extra money if you want to make this website SSL secure. So now if I'm just removing this S and going to this demo, then now as can be seen, this is getting opened. Okay, so the problem was with the SSL certificate. If I want to turn or make this website secure, then I have to pay some extra money, which is as of now is not possible. But if you want to make your website secure, you can take this SSL certificate from the Cloudflare. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my video on my channel. It is available. But as of now, as can be seen, this website is working fine. Okay, so now if you want to make changes to this, just do one thing. Just put one / then wp -admin over here and click enter. Then you will get the this option where to enter your password and the username, which is put by you just now, few minutes back, and you will be able to access your website. Okay, so over here you have to enter the password, and when it comes to the email ID or the username, you will get that email ID or username inside of these details. You just have to pick up this email ID or username, whatever that is. Just copy this and paste it over here. or even the email ID would work. Then click on this remember me if you don't want to enter the username and the password over and over again. Okay, and click on login. Okay, so let me just enter the username and password over again. Okay, so now I am logged in. Okay, so once you are inside of your website, this is a website which is created by me with this subdomain. If you want, you can save this password. I will say save, and now you can install the plugins from here. And this is similar to your main website. Everything is almost similar. You can install whatever you want, and you can change the appearance. If you want to change the theme and all, then click on this theme over here. And if you want to add a new theme, then click on add new. Astra is the best option, so just do one thing, click on search for Astra over here, and this is that theme Astra. You just have to install this. Okay, so this is how you have to make your subdomain and install it, and you can host it on the Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and watch my other videos as well. Thanks for watching.